Alright, Unit 1, Lesson 5, warm-up. Lesson 5 is a lot of word problems. So let's warm up on some ones we're familiar with. A perimeter is measuring the length around the outside of something. An area, you have a surface you're measuring, so length times width. A volume, you're measuring space, so length times width times height. Something occupies. So for a rectangular shape, 2 lengths plus 2 width is often used. If the room was 10 feet wide and 12 feet long, what would its perimeter be? So P equals 2 L's, which was 12, plus 2 W's, which was 10. Order of operations say multiply these first, so these would be 24 plus 20. So P would equal, combined like terms, 44 feet. Okay? That's a perimeter. Perimeter, right? That's 12, 10, 10. I'm just checking my work. Sorry. This is, that beats 24. That's the 20. That's 44. Okay. So the distance around the outside is 44 feet. Okay. If I wanted the surface area, it'd be this space in the middle would be 12 times 10. So the area of a desk, the surface area desk area is a 2-dimensional, which is length times width. Okay, so if it's 6.2 long, and its area, okay, hang on, let me go a little slower through this. All right, so we have area equals width, or length times width, width times length. Sorry. All right, most people are used to seeing this as length times width. It just kind of looks like that, length times width, when the two letters are mashed together, all right? What they're giving you is the area, 20.45. That goes on that side, okay? They're also giving you the length, which is 6.2, and they want to know how wide it is. Okay, or you don't need the parentheses, it'd be 6.2 W. But either way, you're dividing by what's next to it, right? What is 20.45 divided by 6.2? Apparently you're going to get a nice long decimal, and then we need to go back to the rounding instructions. This is round to the 10th place. So 3.3 feet. Okay. A cylinder has a radius of 6 inches and a volume of 5,652. What is the height? If you're given this formula right here. So let's see, on this side would be the 565.2. Pi, remember we're using 3.14, and when all the letters are shoved together, that means multiply everything. So what's the radius? Was 6 squared, and we're looking for the height. Okay, so let's see, orders of operations. 565, don't touch this side. Don't touch the 3.14. What we need to do is square the 6 first. All right. Then we need to combine, well, you're going to go ahead and multiply these guys. Let's see, calculator says that is 113.04. And the H is still there. Now we're ready to isolate the H. That's going to come out to, 5. 5, what are we working with here? Inches. Okay, not too bad. Oh, and some regular practice for solving linear equations. That's what these are. These are linear. These are equations. They're linear equations because it's just a plain x, not an x squared. In 92, they're going to do quadratics, which is x squares. We're not doing that. We're just combining like terms. So this is 1x plus another 1x plus 3 more x's, 5x. 1 minus 1 minus 2 is 1, and that's what I have now. So I combine like terms. I had nothing to distribute. Combine like terms, ready to move. What do we move? We move the 1 to the other side to get our 5x alone on one side and all the constants together on this side. We're ready to isolate the x. So we're going to get x equals negative 4 over 5. Let me check my key. Yep, that's what I had. All right, next one. Let's see. I got a distribution. So 6x, always go do the distribution first. Write the rest of it down. All right, lots of x's. There's an x. There's an x. Combine like terms first. Combine. Okay, so that's plus 27 equals x. All right, this is a little tricky. If I move this 1x over to the 7x, I'm going to have nothing on one side. Okay, that's not a good thing. Let me go ahead and move this over here. That keeps my 27 on this side, and 1x minus 7x is minus 6x. Divide both sides by the 6. X equals 27, 6. Remember, it doesn't matter which side the x is on. Divide them by 3. Let's see what I get here. That's going to be 9 over 2. Negative 9 over 2. That's a negative right there. Check my key. Yep, that's what I had. Okay. All right, this next one. Okay, there's my variable term. So that means this needs to be moved to the other side to get rid of it. So negative 4 thirds x equals negative 4. I would clear my fraction next. I just think that's a really handy move. Yes, you could actually multiply by the reciprocal, but I don't do that. It's complicated. Then I'd have to be, if I multiply this side by a fraction, I have to multiply that side by a fraction, which I could do. I just find this to be easier. That's up to you. The answer is a 3. Let's just check that real quick. 6 plus 4, that's a negative 4 thirds times 3 equals 2. 6, let's see, that's going to be a negative 12 over 3, which is a negative 4 equals 2. Yeah, so that 3 is correct. All right, this side, I got this kind of holding things up here. 10.3 equals 4f over 9. Let's go ahead and clear the fraction. Oh, I wrote that down as 5.3. That's not part of the problem. Hang on. I was like, that's getting strange with all the decimals there. Okay, this is number 5. So plus 5 plus 5. That gives me 8 equals 4f over 9. That's multiplied by 9. 72 equals 4f. Okay? Divide by 4, divide by 4. F equals 72 over 4. 72 divided by 4 is 18. We could check that one too. 3 equals 4 times 18 over 9 minus 5. 4 times 18 divided by 9. Put in the calculator. Comes out to an 8. Minus 5 is 3. There we go. All right. This one here, move to 75. Equals 49, oops, 49x, divided by 49, divided by 49. 49 divided by 49 is a 1. Okay, so apparently 49 plus 75 is 124. That's an easy check. All right, this one has a lot of distribution, so don't touch this 6 out here. What I need to do is distribute first. Remember that? 6, minus 2x plus 8 equals negative 20x plus 15 plus 2. Okay, so distribution first, then combine like terms. This one and this one, these constant terms are alike. And it doesn't matter the order. I could put 14 minus 2x, doesn't matter. Combine like terms over here. All right. Then this is, this has got to go this way. And this one's got to go this way. That way you're only getting rid of one thing on each side, and all the x's over here and all the constant terms are over there. So this is what, 18x equals 3. Okay. Divide by 18, divide by 18. X equals, let's see, 3 over 18 reduces. Divide the top by 3, the bottom by 3. You should get 1 over 6. Is that it? That's it.